Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with the Basement Doctor, John Clements.
Hello, hello.
Hi, so I understanding you're looking to grow your team.
Yes, we are.
What are you looking for?
We're looking for good, strong-willed, honest, mature people.
With a work ethic.
With a work ethic, somebody that wants a career, not a job. Somebody that wants to join the family.
So you don't necessarily have to come to the family with all of the skills that you need. You do train them.
Basically, the most important skill that you're going to bring to us is the right personality. And we're going to give you all the information and all the training that you need. We've got 2 networks that we belong to. One's in Connecticut, one's in Omaha, Nebraska. They are both the largest waterproofing network in the world and the largest foundation repair network in the world. The training that they offer is fantastic. I spent all last week in Omaha at a CEO summit, and we had 3 guys in Connecticut at that time, and it's state of the art. There is nothing in our industry that we haven't either invented, started, or move on to the future. We can train you, we can give you every tool that you would ever need. And we're happy to provide it free of charge to you. We just want you to fit in.
Briefly, if I'm out there and I'm watching, why should I come work for the Basement Doctor?
We are the #1 best, most recognized company in our industry, with the highest reputation, with the best record at the Better Business Bureau, and a list of customer referrals a mile long to stand behind everything that we say and do.
That's pretty impressive.
And we're proud of it.
And great benefits.
Yes, and good benefits. Both.
Okay.
It's a simple plan, not a 401k, but with a 3% company match and major medical and everything.
Okay, thanks John. Thanks everyone. We'll see you next time.